Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Call of Duty Warzone 2 not launching. If you want to fix this issue, what you have to do, click here, go to Windows, Update Settings, and then go click Check for Updates. Now just wait a few seconds, and if you find any update, install it, and then go to GeForce Experience, go to drivers, check for updates, and now make sure your graphics card is updated, and if it's not, just download new update and install it. And after that, restart your PC, and after starting your PC, open Task Manager. Now close all the applications that you don't need, like Google Chrome, and keep scrolling down and close all the applications that you don't need when playing, applications that you know what they do. And that's it. See you in the next video.